Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make diced tomatoes into tomato sauce. Begin by warming oil, sauté onion until translucent, then add garlic and cook briefly. Add diced tomatoes and a pinch of salt, then bring to a gentle simmer. Stir occasionally and taste as it reduces. Adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar if needed. Finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of good olive oil for brightness. For a balanced sauce, sweat onions slowly until soft, then add garlic just long enough to release aroma. Pour in diced tomatoes and raise heat to bring to a simmer, then lower to maintain gentle bubbles. Skim any foam and simmer uncovered for 15 to 30 minutes depending on desired thickness. Taste regularly and layer salt and acid to brighten, finishing with herbs or a pat of butter for silkiness. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: life is short for flimsy socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen sessions. They last through washes and long shifts, which is handy when cooking multiple batches of sauce. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. To build depth, add a bay leaf or a pinch of dried oregano early, and remove bay before serving. If tomatoes taste flat, a small pinch of sugar or a splash of balsamic will round flavors without sweetness. Fold in fresh basil or parsley right at the end to keep brightness. For a silky mouthfeel, stir in a tablespoon of butter or olive oil, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.